Welcome back to my channel. Techno Trend Zone. Big news is brewing from Nikon's labs, and if the rumors are true, we might be looking at a mirrorless powerhouse that could change the game. While there's no official name yet, the buzz suggests it could be the Nikon ZX or something entirely different. What's clear is that Nikon is working on something bold to take on industry giants like the Canon R3 and Sony A9 Mark III. This new flagship could introduce a game-changing global shutter sensor, which would be a first for Nikon's mirrorless lineup. If it happens, this camera will be a must-have for sports, wildlife, and action photographers who need speed, precision, and distortion-free images. Remember though, that these details come from leaks and industry insiders, not from Nikon itself. While we're calling it the ZX for now, that name might not stick. However, what's exciting is the possibility of a global shutter sensor. This tech would eliminate rolling shutter distortion, allowing for ultra-sharp images even when capturing fast-moving subjects. If Nikon executes this well, it could position itself as a serious competitor in the high-speed mirrorless market. To put this into perspective, the Canon R3 and Sony A9 Mark III have dominated the space with their advanced autofocus and incredible burst speeds. The R3 boasts eye-control autofocus, while the A9 Mark III can shoot at a staggering 120 FPS. But Nikon isn't sitting idly by. If the ZX incorporates a global shutter, it could challenge these models by offering unmatched speed and precision. This would make it the ultimate tool for professionals who demand the best. A global shutter captures the entire image at once rather than scanning from top to bottom like a traditional shutter. This eliminates the rolling shutter effect, where fast-moving objects appear warped or bent. Sony's A9 series already excels in speed, but Nikon has the opportunity to take things a step further. With this technology, Nikon can offer distortion-free images at breakneck speeds, making it an ideal choice for photographers who specialize in high-speed action. Autofocus is another area where Nikon needs to excel. While Canon and Sony have led the way in eye and subject tracking, Nikon has made significant strides with its recent releases. If the ZX integrates an AI-driven autofocus system that rivals or surpasses its competitors, it could be a game-changer. Additionally, Nikon has been improving its video capabilities, so we might see 4K at 120 FPS or even 6K recording with smooth, artifact-free motion. If Nikon delivers on this, it could be a top choice for hybrid shooters. Video performance is another aspect that can set the ZX apart. The global shutter would eliminate the dreaded jello effect when panning or shooting fast-moving subjects. If Nikon can achieve 6K at 120 FPS, it will stand out as a top-tier option for videographers as well as photographers. Battery life is another strong point Nikon has historically excelled, and we expect the ZX to continue that trend, offering long-lasting performance for professionals on the go. So when will we see it? While there's no official word, leaks suggest Nikon is preparing to send out prototypes to professional photographers in early 2026, with a potential release in late 2026. That means we're still a ways off from an official announcement, but things are moving in the right direction. Pricing will be a key factor. Given the high-end specs, the Nikon ZX is expected to fall within the $5,500 to $6,500 range, putting it directly in competition with the Canon R3 and Sony A9 Mark III. With these numbers in mind, Nikon will need to offer compelling features to justify the price tag. The ZX, or whatever Nikon ends up calling it, could be a game-changing addition to the high-end mirrorless market. If the rumored global shutter and autofocus advancements come to fruition, it could be a serious contender against Sony and Canon. Wildlife, sports, and video professionals stand to benefit the most from its high-speed capabilities and distortion-free imaging. Until we get official confirmation, all eyes will be on Nikon to see if they can pull this off. Speaking of exciting Nikon releases, another upcoming model-making waves is the Nikon Z5 Mark II. This mid-range full-frame mirrorless camera aims to improve upon its predecessor, the Nikon Z5, by offering better autofocus, improved low-light performance, and enhanced video capabilities. The original Nikon Z5 was known for being an affordable yet powerful full-frame camera. The Z5 Mark II is rumored to continue that legacy with a robust magnesium alloy body, refined ergonomics, and an improved button layout for better handling. One standout upgrade could be a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, making it easier to shoot from creative angles. Under the hood, the Z5 Mark II is expected to feature a 24.5 MP backside illuminated full-frame sensor, delivering superior low-light performance. Combined with Nikon's latest XP7 image processor, users can expect faster processing speeds, better energy efficiency, and improved autofocus tracking. The autofocus system may include a 273-point hybrid setup with advanced eye and animal detection, making it ideal for wildlife and portrait photography. Another crucial upgrade is the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which will reduce camera shake and ensure sharper images even in challenging conditions. For videographers, the Z5 Mark II is rumored to offer 4K recording at 30 fps, Full HD at 120 fps, and possibly 4K at 60 fps with a minor crop. While this crop may be a drawback for some, the overall improvements in video quality make it a solid choice for content creators. Connectivity is also getting a boost. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should make file transfer seamless, while dual UHS 2 SD card slots provide flexible storage options. The inclusion of USB-C charging will allow for convenient on-the-go power-ups, making it a great travel companion. The expected release timeline for the Z5 Mark II is mid-2025, slightly delayed compared to earlier rumors. Nikon is likely staggering the launch to ensure a competitive edge against rivals like the Canon EOS RP and Sony A7C. With full compatibility with Nikon Z mount lenses and support for F-mount glass via an FTZ adapter, the Z5 Mark II will offer excellent versatility. While final specs remain speculative, this camera is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range full-frame market. Whether you're an enthusiast or an aspiring professional, this model could strike the perfect balance between performance and affordability.